Built2Spec technologies are really needed for the construction site. In fact, today we are talking about the modernization of the construction sector. The construction sector is one of the industrial sector which is one of the least innovative. So it's really desperately in need of innovative solutions, innovative technologies in order to improve productivity in the building site.
Built2Spec Project, we have many results that are going to be exploited. The main one of them is the virtual construction management platform. So in the construction sector and the construction sites, there are many information workflows that, thanks to our platform, can be controlled and managed. And this construction platform is also paired with innovative solutions for testing indoor air quality, for example, or acoustics, or air tightness, or 3D reconstruction. All these technologies have been integrated with the platform within the project, and this is a step forward that allows these technologies to be adopted by the market stakeholders.
The VCMP, which has been developed in the Built2Spec project, is really useful for a small contractor like Ecofix. We've been using the VCMP on a building site, and what we found is that it's very useful just to give instructions on a mobile phone to our workers on site so that they know to take photographs of the work they're doing. That way, work that gets covered up by late following trades, we have a record of it and we know if it's been built to the specification. This is incredibly useful evidence for reviewing the quality of a project and for checking for defects at a later stage.
We are really already experiencing great success and demand for the technologies that we have been testing and developing in the project.
It is expected from the building owners to increase their requirements in their tenders and in their specifications.
The whole idea obviously is to improve performance at a very reduced cost.
Innovation must come to every kind of stakeholder in the value chain.